Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I have a very special unboxing for you. I'm not just saying that. To me this is even more exciting than an Hermes unboxing. It is here next to me. I picked it up yesterday and it is from the Spring Summer 22 collection. Yes, you guessed it correct. I bought the Chanel handbag and I'm so excited. I'm even uploading this unboxing before the shopping vlog. There will be a shopping vlog coming up next, so keep an eye out. And if you're interested, keep watching. Also, I would love to hear which color do you think I picked up. Let me know your guesses in the comments before I unbox it. And don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram, which is this one here. You can see my daily outfits on my stories. You can see how I like to style my new purchases. So if you're interested, come say hi there as well. I would love to see you on my Instagram. Okay, let's get started. So I picked up this baby yesterday, and actually the collection is officially launching today, but I managed to get my hands on one of the hard bags one day before the official launch. So we have a magazine, a lovely Chanel magazine that my SA gave me, and also have my receipt in here. I'm standing up, unboxing this standing up, so it might be a bit tricky. Here is the box, so here it is. Let's see this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I saw it yesterday very quickly at the boutique and I tried it on quickly. I fell in love. I was like, of course I'm getting this bag. It is so nicely wrapped. What do we have in here? Oh, you can kind of see we have a dust bag, and here it is. So let's just rip all the tissue paper, and as you can see I picked up oh my god, she's so pretty and the size is so perfect. To be honest, when I saw it yesterday at the boutique, I was like, oh my god, it's not as big as I thought. I really thought it would be, this is the bigger size by the way, so I thought these will be much bigger, but it's actually the most perfect size ever. I'm so glad that they didn't make it bigger because I think it would have looked a bit too bulky. So as you can see, it has a functioning flap pocket on the front. There is a little felt. Let me just take off the felt. But I will definitely insert some close-ups so you can see everything in detail. And the reason I picked up the black one is, do you know what, every time I think of Chanel handbags, you guys know I think I've mentioned that before, I've always wanted to get one of the vintage ones, but the current price tag on the pre-loved market is so high. So yeah, every time I think of the Chanel handbag, the vintage Chanel handbag, the black one always pops up in my mind, and I've always wanted the black one because I think it's so wearable. So when I saw Chanel will be releasing new handbags for the Spring Summer 2022 collection, I was like, I need to get my hands on one. I need to get either the black or the pink. I do love the pink, but I know the pink probably makes a bit more sense because it's heart bag and the pink is so adorable, but I wanted to buy something that I would wear and that's easy to style, and I already have quite a few pink bags. I recently picked up a beautiful pink tweed bag from the previous collection. If you've missed my unboxing, I'll make sure I link it above if you want to check it out. So I did put my name down for two different colors, the pink and the black, and I'm actually so happy that I got offered the black one because I know I would just wear it a ton. And it is so cute. Oh my god, just wait until I open it inside. It does have burgundy lining inside as well. So here it is. Oh, it's stuffed. So here it is. I haven't even looked at this bag properly. So inside it is fabric, but it does have the pockets are leather. And I also believe only the black hard bag has burgundy lining, the iconic burgundy lining that they also use for their classic flaps. So yeah, the pockets are actually leather, and I have also noticed that these hard bags are made in France, which is so great because I believe only the classics are now made in France and all the other seasonal bags are either made in Italy or Spain. So it's always so nice when I see made in France stamp inside. Let me actually zip it up, and I'm actually surprised that the zippers work really well. I was worried a little bit that because it's heart shape the zippers might be a bit tricky to open and close, but they're quite smooth. And I also love that one of the zippers has a little heart with CC in the middle. It is so cute. I'm just trying to remember now if all the other mini hearts also have the same zipper detail with the heart. I did try on one of the minis in my shopping vlog. You'll see when I upload the video next. If you're watching this unboxing late, the video might be up, so you can find a link down below in the description, and I'll also link it here if the video is up. But if not, it's coming next, so you can see what I tried on. But yeah, I can't remember if they have the same zipper detail, but the front pocket is again functioning. You can open it. It has a clasp, like a turn lock CC, which you can open, and there is a tiny little pocket. But definitely all the mini hard bags, they're so tiny, you can't really fit anything in them. They're definitely a micro bag, so they're more like an accessory, whereas this is an actual bag. It fits a lot more. And I also wanted to show you it has the Mona Lisa back pocket. So the new Chanel hard bags that they released definitely resemble classic flaps a lot more because of the flap pocket, because of the Mona Lisa pocket at the back. I can't remember if the vintage ones also have a back pocket. I have to double check. So yeah, I'm really happy with the size of the bag. Also, the chain length is really great. I will try it on so you can see where it sits on me. For reference, I'm 170 centimeters tall, which is 5'6", and I also loved the minis, but the minis definitely sit a bit lower. The chains on the mini hearts are definitely longer than the larger hard bags. And also, you guys know that they actually released so many heart accessories with this collection. They released the small heart, which you can find in the SLG on the website under the SLG section. Also, you can see that they released heart necklaces, they released belts as well as arm purses. So yeah, you have so many options there, and you also know that they come in so many different colors. There will be a baby blue, white, gold, black and pink. Oh, and purple as well. I missed the purple, which is so cute. I put my name down for a mini as well. I did try on one of the minis, but it wasn't the color that I'm after. So hopefully I will add another mini heart to my collection, but I'm so happy with this one. And let me actually remove the stickers. I can see one of the stickers is already peeling off, and let's take off this sticker as well. It has champagne gold hardware, and yeah, this is the bag. I haven't actually tried to see if my phone will fit. I have the iPhone 13, but not the biggest one. It does look quite spacious inside. It will fit all my essentials, and I think it might even fit more than a mini rectangle. Actually, let me quickly grab a mini rectangle so I can put them side by side so you can see. Hold on. Okay, here they are side by side, so you can see the differences, how big they are. I'm pretty sure they'll probably fit about the same amount of items inside. But yeah, this could be a bit more trickier because it's a heart shape. But again, I have to try and see what fits, because I just unboxed it, literally just unboxed it. This is a true unboxing, so I'm excited to play a bit with the bag and see what fits. But I love the size. I'm so happy with the size. I also forgot to mention, but I'm sure you can tell, this is lambskin leather. All the hearts, even the mini ones, come only in lambskin leather, and I really love it. It's so buttery soft, very smooth. It looks so nice and luxurious. And also the chains are thinner than the minis. Okay, let me just show you. The chains on the mini rectangles are thicker than these. So yeah, wanted to point that out, and they are not removable. You can't unclip them, but I'm sure you can add a separate small chain here and use this as a top handle if you want as well. So yeah, this is the bag. I'm not sure what else to tell you. Oh, the price. Let me grab the price. So the price of these is £4,080. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions, if I've missed anything. Hopefully I didn't miss anything, but I'm so excited, and I was rushing to unbox this so I can put it up for you and try it on so you can see how it looks, what I think about the bag. To me, this is definitely worth buying, especially if you love Chanel. This is such a beautiful collector's piece, and I don't think they have ever released Chanel handbags since the 90s. To me personally, this was a must. So yeah. Okay guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's very special heart unboxing. I cannot wait to style this bag and upload pictures on Instagram. I'm sure you'll see many outfit pictures with this beautiful baby. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if the Chanel heart is on your wish list, or if you've already managed to get one. I would love to hear. Let's chat in the comments. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.